Yes.
So this wall is really behind the grandma's house.
No, I think there's some dog named Sadie. That's
You stink.
Off to Neverland! It's off we go!
May I have your attention? Please remain seated. This ride has stopped temporarily and will resume motion at any time. Please remain seated for your own safety. Thank you.
Do not lift up on your safety bar. It will lift automatically. Then exit to your right onto the moving belt and watch your step. Please do not lift up on your safety bar. It will lift automatically. Then exit to your right onto the moving belt and watch your step.